Hey, what's going on? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Hanging out today, taking the Lambo for a drive. Hope everybody's doing well. Happy New Year. Little chilly day here in Texas. Hope you can hear me, because it's pretty loud in here actually when you really start to drive it. Little tricky driving in E-gear holding a phone here, so I gotta be careful, you know. How's everybody doing? So yeah, just driving this thing around today. I gotta get it warmed up. How's the temperature by you guys? Alright, this is a little difficult. I'll see you guys later. Cheers.